Okay, this came in the mail to me, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So let's see what we got in here. Okay. Let's see. Odd. Odd shape there. Oh, wow. This is so nice. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my. It looks like a cake stand. The different plates are in there to decorate, I guess, the cakes with. Okay. Wow. I gotta figure out how to use this. This is a little different than what I'm accustomed to. Oh, wow. Little decorator spouts. Like decorator bags. Spatulas. Like spatulas. Oh, this is so nice. Wow. As much as I bake cakes, this is gonna be fantastic. This will help me a lot. Wow. Let me say thank you to one of my subscribers. Thank you so much. You're so kind. I will be sure to put your name in the comment and to give you a shout out for being so kind. Thank you so very, very much for subscribing to my channel, Diane's Decorating and More. Thank you so much. I will definitely use this. This is wonderful. It's so kind of her. Truly appreciate it. Let's see. Is it a name on here? Like it says Julie. Okay. Just Miss Julie. Okay. Well, thank you, Miss Julie, for your wonderful gift. I will put it to use. I just wanted to show you guys that from one of my subscribers, Miss Julie. And definitely will be using this wonderful gift here. Thank you for tuning in to Diane's Decorating and More, where you can join and subscribe, like, and share my videos to see what I'm going to be doing with this cake. Look like a cake mount here. Yes, I definitely will be using this. Wow. Thank you for tuning in. Bye-bye.